Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. You're looking at this little audio board that I picked up for like 10 bucks online, made by DROK. I guess that's how you could say it. It's got a little Bluetooth antenna here, TF slot here for a micro SD card, a USB port here. It has a spot for a mute button, I suppose. A micro USB port here for power, and a 2.5 millimeter audio jack for output. We come over here on this side. It's got a mode, a play, a next, a back, and a EQ. The EQ only works in TF or USB mode, doesn't work in Bluetooth. Like I said, you power it from the micro USB, plug in your speaker here. At least that's how I done it. I haven't tried yet to see if you could hook a Bluetooth speaker to this. I did connect my iPhone to it and played music out through the audio port here. So if we power this up, let me plug in speakers so we can hear this. And let's power this up.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And you can hear speak in there. It says the Bluetooth device is ready to pair. So what we'll do is we'll grab our phone here, settings, connection, Bluetooth. Alright, so as you can see, we got a couple devices coming up. Now on my iPhone, it showed a different name here. There it is. This audio one right here, that is the one for it. So we'll just...
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, so now it's connected. As you can see, the blue LED light stopped blinking. So if we just we can maybe play some sounds through here. Ringtone. Maybe not. That ringtones might not work. Well, do I have the volume on? Okay, let me pull up YouTube or something. And we'll just go to crank ringtone. Sorry for the delay. Here we go. Alright. As you can hear, it's playing through my speakers. It's not playing through my phone. I turned the speakers down, so you know it's definitely playing through the external speakers that I have plugged in. So this is a cool little device. You can throw music on a USB. You can throw music on the micro SD card and control the songs and stuff by here. Play it out the speakers. It supports MP3s, WMA, WAV, and FLAC audio files. So thought I'd just make a little video here and show this little thing off. It's a pretty neat little device. Might work out for some audio type stuff, or maybe even light show pie or whatever. All right. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another one.